Hello everyone! Today I wanted to meet one more customer of my fashion house. This is Ekaterina. To be honest, she is a pretty complicated customer. She doesn't like simple items and designs. She wants all of her clothes to be one of a kind. The thing is that she was one of the first customers of my fashion house back in 2008. Since then, she orders all of her clothes here. Sometimes she says, "Irina, do you remember this or that dress?" I don't. We've made so many dresses for her that I don't even remember them all. Today I want you to show one of them. When it comes to style and fashion, Irina is my master. I'm an architect and a psychologist, but when it comes to fashion, Irina understands my own state of mind better. This dress was made of several Dior scarves. You can see the logo on the fabric. The scarves are made of 100% silk. Due to the fact that the dress was made of scarves, it's very light. The sleeves are made of French lace. Have a look at the back. Notice that even though there are a lot of details in this dress, it still fits the body perfectly. There's an underdress underneath. Have a look at the way the lace is attached to the dress. There's an angle on the shoulder and then goes down. Have a look here. You can see the stitching, and there's a small bar tack on the edge. The rest of the lace is doubled, but it's not stitched. This is how the bottom looks like. The dress is pretty wide and comfortable. The first angle goes here, and the second one here. The details are kind of square, but they make the body look much slimmer. We shoot this video for those who think that if they are not tall and slim, they can't dress good. You can. Look at Ekaterina. We've made a lot of amazing dresses for her, and they all fit her well. I travel around the world a lot. I frequently attend Paris, Rome, Barcelona. I always feel comfortable and confident in my dresses. I can wear them both every day and on some special occasions. I want to talk to people of big sizes. We should also be different and beautiful. It's absolutely possible. Make a basic pattern and practice. Find designs which suit you. Try combining fabrics. This technique helps make your bodies look slimmer. Look at Ekaterina. She looks absolutely amazing. There's a light underdress underneath this one. I can't wear short dresses or the close-fitting ones. The underdress is close-fitting and it's short. I still feel very comfortable in it. The dress itself is made of silk, so the underdress is lightly seen through it. And it makes my body look taller and slimmer. Have a look at the slit. It makes the front of the dress look more interesting, but at the same time the underdress doesn't let it show too much skin. Very beautiful. Have a look at the back once again. These two angles make the back look much slimmer. The dress fits body perfectly, but at the same time it's pretty wide. I'm glad I've decided to show you Ekaterina and her unusual dress. I also want to say that this dress is very convenient. I'm ashamed to show in my arms because they're not slim. The sleeves made of lace hide the parts of my arms which I don't want to show, but at the same time they are light, and I don't feel hot. Very comfortable. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We are Paukshte Irina and Ekaterina. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. See you soon.